Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something wild, GLM 4.5, the latest AI model from Z.ai that's here to make your life easier, smarter, and maybe even a little cooler. It's August 5th, 2025, and trust me, this AI is about to blow your mind. Let's get into it. Think of GLM 4.5 as the Tony Stark of AI, packed with power, ready to tackle anything, and way too impressive to ignore. So, grab your popcorn or your coding laptop and let's break it down. First up, the stats. GLM 4.5 is rocking 355 billion total parameters and 32 billion active ones. That's like having a brain the size of Jupiter, but it actually shows up when you need it. Unlike that one friend who's always busy, it's built for three big things: reasoning, coding, and agentic tasks. Don't worry, we'll unpack that last one in a sec. And here's the flex: it's ranked third overall in AI benchmarks, beating out some heavy hitters from OpenAI and Anthropic. That's right, this model's got bragging rights and it's not even smug about it. Oh, and it's got a 128K context length. Translation: it can remember more than your entire group chat history. So, yeah, it's ready for whatever you throw at it. Let's talk reasoning. GLM 4.5 is the kind of AI that could ace your math test while you're still figuring out where your calculator went. It scored 98.2% on Math 500, which is basically the Super Bowl of math problems. And in science, 41.7% on Code. Not perfect, but still smarter than most of us during finals week. Plus, it's got this cool hybrid reasoning mode. You've got thinking mode for deep, let's solve world peace vibes, and non thinking mode for quick hits like what's 2 plus 2? It's 4, and GLM 4.5 won't even judge you for asking. Now, I have a question for you. What's the toughest problem you'd throw at an AI? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious. Let's test it out. Go to Z.ai, register yourself, and then you'll be ready to ask it anything. So, I tried this question. A man is looking at a photograph of someone. His friend asks, "Who is it you are looking at?" The man replies, "Brothers and sisters, I have none. But that man's father is my father's son. Who is the person in the photograph?" And the output was great and correct. The man is looking at a photograph of his son. And the second question was, you're in a room with three light switches, each connected to one of three light bulbs in another room. You can't see the bulbs from the switch room. You may flip the switches any way you like, but you may only enter the bulb room once. How can you determine which switch controls which bulb using only one trip to the bulb room? And guess what? The answer was mind blowing. In short, it is turn on switch 1 for a while, then turn it off. Turn on switch 2, go into the bulb room. The lit bulb is switch 2, the warm one is switch 1, and the cold one is switch 3. So, I must say, its reasoning capability is awesome. You must check it out soon. Now, coding. If you've ever spent 3 hours debugging only to find a missing semicolon, GLM 4.5 feels you. It's got a 64.2% score on SWE Bench verified, which means it's a coding beast. Front end, back end, databases. It's like the full stack dev you wish you had on speed dial. It even built a Pokemon Pokédex app live on Z.ai. You can search for Pikachu or Charizard right now. Tell me that's not cooler than your last project. It's fast, it's reliable, and it won't ghost you halfway through a sprint. Who needs a coding partner when you've got this? It can even build full stack apps. I was getting some unknown error while trying it, but it might be fixed by the developers. So try it out yourself and comment below how it goes. Now let's try its AI slides to create slides or presentations. Look at this. I selected AI slides and see what it's doing. Researching, reading, adding pages to the slide. This AI is even writing HTML code to generate the slides, and trust me, it's amazing and incredible. It takes some time, but it's totally worth it. Okay, agentic tasks. What does that mean? Basically, GLM 4.5 can act like your personal assistant. It has a 90.6% tool calling success rate, so it can search the web, run code, or maybe even remind you to call your mom. Okay, maybe not that last one, but we can dream. It's like having a sidekick who's always on, never complains, and doesn't need a lunch break. What would you make it do? Tell me in the comments. I asked it to search for the latest release features of Nuxt.js 4, and it did a ton of research and other things. The final answer was accurate and 100% real. It explained that Nuxt 4 brings a cleaner app structure, smarter data fetching, improved TypeScript support, a faster dev experience, and refreshed UI templates. So I accepted that its searching feature is better than ChatGPT's, and I must use this GLM 4.5 search tool as needed. All right, let's wrap it up. GLM 4.5 is the real deal, powerful, versatile, and ready to tackle your toughest challenges. Whether you're coding a masterpiece, solving brain busters, or just messing around with AI, this model's got you covered. So next time you're stuck, don't panic. Just call on GLM 4.5. It's like the group project teammate who actually does the work and maybe even brings snacks. That's it, folks. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech goodness, and drop a comment with your thoughts on GLM 4.5. What's the first thing you'd ask it? Let's get that conversation going. See you in the next one.